Hello everyone. Welcome back to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some previous year questions from ranking. So in this particular lecture, we will discuss all the questions from SSC MTS, the date of the examination and the shift. So details about the examination is given over here for your reference. Now let us start with question number 1. So, question number 1 says that in a morning prayer of a school, Chanchal was 8th from the front while Prince was 11th from the back. So, if this is front and this is back, Chanchal is 8th from the front. That means there are 7 people, and at 8th position we have Chanchal. Correct? And Prince is 11th from the back. So we have 10 people, and at 11th position we have Prince from the back. So this is from the front and this is from the back. Clear? Now, if they swap their position, so now over here we have Prince. Okay? Over here we have Prince and over here we have Chanchal. They have swapped their positions. So after swapping their position, Chanchal becomes 22nd from the front. So basically this position, which was 11th from the back for Prince, is now 22nd from the front. 22nd from the front. That means up till over here. Okay. These many people, there will be some people between Chanchal and Prince. These many people are 21. And at 22nd position, we have Chanchal. Correct? We have to find out what is the total number of students in that row. So, total number of students basically will be 22 up till Chanchal plus these 10 people that are behind Chanchal. Correct? So, total number of students will be 32. So, in totality, we have 32 students. 32 is given in option number 1. Therefore, my correct answer will be option number 1. Clear? Now, this is the solution. Moving on to question number 2. Question number 2 says that 6 people are there who are posing before a camera for a group photograph. P is standing exactly between N and S. So, P is standing between N and S. Or there is second possibility that S is over here and N is over here. Correct? Because it is not mentioned in the question whether S is to the right of P or N is to the right of P. This is your left and this is your right in the question. Correct? Now, it says that Q is to the immediate left of N. So, immediate left means Q will be over here. Q is to the immediate left of N. Okay? O is at the extreme right. So, O is at the extreme right. So, O will be over here. And R is to the immediate left of O. So, R is to the immediate left of O. Correct? So, we got two possibilities. The first possibility is Q, N, P, S, R, O and S, P, Q, N, R, O. Correct? We got two possibilities. So, 6 persons are posing before a camera for a group photograph. P is standing exactly between N and S. So, P is between N and S. But in this position, P is not exactly between N and S. Over here, we have Q in between. Therefore, this possibility is eliminated. Correct? This possibility is eliminated. So, this will be the final arrangement. This will be the final arrangement. Correct? It is asked in the question that who is to the exact right of S. So, S is over here and exact right, or we can also call it immediate right. Correct? Immediate right. Or we can call it next to the right. Next to the right. So, all these words and phrases can come in your exam. So, who is to the immediate right of S? We have R. So my answer will be option number 3, R. So whenever you get questions like these, make sure that you follow all the possibilities. So we had 2 possibilities. Once we get them, we will identify the one that is being eliminated based on these conditions. So based on this condition that P is standing exactly between N and S, we eliminated this scenario. So we are left with this scenario. So this will be the final answer. Okay? Now, this is the solution. Moving forward to question number 3. Question number 3 says that there are 7 houses in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 houses in a row in a campus, but not necessarily in this order. Okay, so they can be jumbled up. P is not at any of the ends. So mean we have 7 positions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. P will not be at any of the ends. Correct? So P will be in one of these 5 positions. R is to the immediate right of P. It is given to us that P and R sit like this because R is to the immediate right of P. This direction will be our left and this direction will be our right. Okay? So R is to the immediate right of P. S is third from the left. So this is the left, S is third, 1, 2 and 3. S will be over here. S is third from the left. Correct? Now, when this is the possibility, basically we can't place PR over here because P cannot be over here. So we can either place PR over here or we can place PR over here or we can place PR over here. Correct? So we have 3 possibilities currently. Now it is given to us that O is to the extreme left end. So O is over here. O is to the extreme left end. It is given to us that M is second from the right. So second from the right means 1, 2, M is over here. If M is over here, this possibility cannot happen and this possibility cannot happen. So we have O, S, P, R, M. Now it is given to us that O is not adjacent to N. So immediately next to O we cannot have N because O is not adjacent to N. So if N cannot come here, N will come here. Correct? If N cannot come here, N will come here. So how many people we have placed? We have placed M, we have placed N, we have placed O, we have placed P, we have placed R, we have placed S. So the only person remaining to be placed is Q. So Q will sit over here. Correct? Now, we have to find out which house is second to the right of S. So this is S. Towards the right of S will be this direction. Second to the right, that means 1 and 2. Second to the right of S will be R and R is given in option number 4. So therefore our correct answer will be option number 4, R. Clear? Now, this is the final arrangement and the solution. Moving on to question number 4. Question number 4 says that among 7 friends, B is taller than only 4 other friends. So this is based on arrangement, based on logical sequence, correct? Based on their height. So I am assuming that the taller person is here and the shorter person is here. How many friends we have? 7 friends. So 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 places. We know that B is taller than only 4 others. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. So B will be over here. B is taller than only 4 people. Correct? Now, C is taller than D. So we know that C is taller than D, but we don't know how many people sit between C and D. How many people are there between C and D? A is taller than F. So A is taller than F is also given to us. This is the information that we will use later. So I am just writing down the information, the additional information. Okay. E is taller than only one person, that is G. Okay, so G is also the shortest in height among all the friends. So G is the shortest, G will be here, and E is taller than only one person, that is G. So E will be over here. Now we have two pairs, C, D and AF. We have to place them. It is given to us that B is taller than A. So A will automatically come here if B is taller than A. So if A comes here, F will come here. Now we are remaining with C and D. So C and D will come over here. Correct? This will be my final arrangement. My final arrangement. Okay? Now, we have to find out who is the tallest among all the friends. So the tallest person will be this. Tallest person will be option number 3, C. So out of all the 7 friends, C is the tallest person. Clear? Now, this is the solution. Moving on to question number 5. In question number 5, it is given to us that we have 47 people in a row. Okay, we have 47 people in a row. X is 14th from the front. So front means there are 13 people. Okay, and then at the 14th position from front. Okay, 14th from front, we have X. Correct? Now, Y is 17th from the back. That means we have 16 people, and at 17th position from the back, we have Y. Correct? So this is the front end and this is the back end. Correct? Now, question says that they exchange their location. Exchange their location means now Y will sit over here and X will sit over here. They have exchanged their position. It is given to us that Y becomes 34th from the back. So Y was basically 17th from the back, but now Y is 34th. Y is 34th from the back. Okay, Y is 34th from the back. That means up till over here, how many people are there? 34 people from the back. So all these many people up till Y, we have 34 people. We have to answer what will be position of X from the front. So position of X from the front. Now we know that the total number of people is 47. Correct? Total number of people is 47. 13 plus 34 is 47. Up till here we have 14 people and up till here we have 17 people. So if I subtract 47, if I add 17 and 14, how much we will get? We will get 31, correct? And if I subtract 31 from 47, I will get 16. So basically over here we have 16 people, correct? Over here we have 16 people. We have to find the position of X from the front. So position of X from the front, if I have to see, basically it will be 13 plus 1 for Y, okay, plus 16 plus 1 position for X, correct? So this will be how much? This will be 13 plus 18, correct? And 13 plus 18 is basically 31. So the position of X will be 31st from front. So my answer will be option number 1, 31. Clear? Now, this is the solution. Okay? Moving on to question number 6. Question number 6 says that there are 7 houses in a row in a campus but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, so 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is our left and this is our right. We already made this arrangement in the previous question, but let us quickly make it again. Okay, so P is not at any of the ends. That means P will not be here and P will not be here. P is not at any of the ends. Correct? Now, it says that R is to the immediate right of P. So we get a combination of R and P. R is to the immediate right of P. So we get a combination of R and P. S is third from the left. That means S is over here. 1, 2, 3 from the left. Correct? O is at the extreme left hand. So O is over here. O is at the extreme left hand. M is second from the right. So M is over here. Second from the right. Clear? Now it is given to us. P and R we have to place. So P and R will come over here. Correct? P and R will come over here. Now, O is not adjacent to N, so N will not come over here. N will come over here. Correct? And the only remaining person is Q, so Q will come over here. This will be our final arrangement. Correct? This is our final arrangement. Now, what does the question ask? The question asked is, where is R located? So the location of R is this. Correct? This location can be called 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th. So we can call it 5th from left. Correct? We can call it 5th from left. Or if you see from right, 1, 2 and 3. We can call it 3rd from right. 3rd from right. We can call it either 5th from left or 3rd from right. In the option we have option number 4, 3rd from the right. So this will be my correct answer to this question. Clear? Now, this is the solution. So over here we are explaining the correct sequence and this is the final answer. Okay? Now, let us come to question number 7. Question number 7 says that the first semester scores of 5 students indicate. So we are arranging them on number of scores. Correct? This is based on a logical sequence. We are arranging them based on a logical sequence. It is said that Raman has scored higher than Ritesh. So I am taking this side to be the higher side and this side to be the lower side. Okay? Raman has scored higher than Ritesh. So Ritesh will be over here, Raman will be over here. But he is second lower to Harshita. So if Harshita is over here, that means we will have one person between Raman and Harshita. Because Raman has scored second lower to Harshita. 1 and 2. Second lower to Harshita. Okay. We know that Ankur is the lowest scored. So Ankur will be over here. Lowest scored person. Correct? Then what is the position of Raghav? So we have only one person left, Raghav. And how many positions we have? 5 positions because we have 5 students. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only second position is empty. So here we will have Raghav. Clear? So this will be our final arrangement. This is my final arrangement. Now, in the question, we have to find the position of Raghav. So, now if I will look at the options. So, is Raghav just below Ritesh? No, Ritesh is below Raghav. Correct? Is Raghav between Raman and Ritesh? No, Raghav is between Raman and Harshita. So, this is eliminated. This is eliminated. Is Raghav just above Harshita? No, Raghav is just below Harshita. Therefore, this is also eliminated. Now let us look over here. Just above Raman. Is Raghav just above Raman? Yes. Therefore, our answer will be option number 2, just above Raman. Clear? Now, this is the solution. Over here. Okay? So, answer is just above Raman. Moving on to question number 8. Question number 8 says that in a row of boys, Karun is 5th from the left. So, we have left and we have right. Karun is basically 5th from the left. That means we have 4 people. Then we have Karun who is 5th from the left. Right? Then we have Pant who is 6th from the right. So, over here we have 5 people. Then at 6th position we have Pant. So, Pant is basically 6th from the right. Correct? Now, they exchange their position. So now the new positions, if they exchange their position, over here we will have Pant and over here we will have Karun. Correct? Pant will sit over here and Karun will sit over here. It is said to us that Karun becomes 13th from the left. So Karun is now 13th from the left. Okay, so if Karun is 13th from the left, that means before Karun, up till here, we have total of 12 people. Up till here, we have a total of 12 people if Karun is 13th from the left. Correct? In these 12 people, we have 4 people plus 1 Pant. So up till here, we have how many people? 5 people. So over here, how many people we will have? We will have 7 people. So this distance is 7 people. Correct? We have 7 people. Now what is asked for us? It is asked that what is the new position of Pant from the right. Okay. So from right, after Karun we have 5 people. Over here we have 5 people. So from the right I can see it is 5 plus 1 position of Karun. Then we have basically 7 people. Okay. 5, then position of Karun, then 7 people, and then we have 1 position for Pant. This will be final. 5 plus 1 plus 7 plus 1. So this is how much? 7 plus 5, 12, 13 and 14. So basically Pant is, I can say Pant is 14th from the right. Pant is 14th from the right. Am I clear? Pant is 14th from the right. So option number 3 will be the answer to this question. Clear? Now, this is the solution. Coming to question number 9. Question number 9 says that Ritika is ranked 6th from top. Akshay is ranked 18th from bottom. When they interchange their position, Akshay gets 15th from bottom. That means Akshay's position has decreased now. So, if this is how many people are there, okay, Ritika will be over here and Akshay will be over here. Before Ritika, there will be 5 people and Ritika is 6th from top. Okay? Correct? This is your initial position. And Akshay is 18th from bottom. Akshay is 18th from bottom. That means before Akshay, over here we have 17 people. Correct? Over here we have 17 people. Now they have exchanged their position. That means over here we have Ritika and over here we have Akshay. It is given to us that Akshay is basically 15th from bottom now. So this is 15th from bottom. Okay, this is 15th from bottom. So up till here, up till Akshay, we have 15 people. Correct? Up till Akshay, we have 15 people, including Akshay. And above Akshay, we have 5 people. So if I add them, I'll get 20. So 20 will be the total students in the class. Total students in the class. So Akshay, up till Akshay we have 15 people and then above him we have 5. So total there will be 20 students in the class. So my answer will be option number 4, 20. Clear? Option number 4, 20. This is the solution. Now let us come to question number 10. Okay, lot of information. Question number 10. Question number 10 says that 6 people are reading a magazine one after the other. So there are 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are reading a magazine. S was neither the first nor the last. So I am saying this is the first person to read the magazine and this is the last person to read the magazine. So S is neither the first nor the last. So S does not come here and S does not come here. Okay. There were as many readers between P and T as there were between R and P. So R, P, T. Between RP and PT, we have same number of people. U read it sometime before Q but read it sometime after S. So U has read it sometime before Q and sometime after S. So if I arrange them, it will be S, U, Q. They will come in this order. Okay? S, U, Q will come in this order. The one who read it last has taken it from R. So R will be over here because the last person has taken it from R. Now we cannot have S over here. Correct? We cannot have S over here. So I will place P over here and I will place T over here. Correct? Then I can place S over here, U over here and Q over here. This is my final arrangement. Okay? The question is, who were the two persons to have read the magazine first and last respectively? So we have to find the persons that have read the magazine first and last. So the first person to read the magazine is T and the last person to read the magazine is Q. So my answer will be T and Q, which is option number 2. So option number 2 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Now this is the solution. Okay, so T and Q. T was the first person and Q was the last person. Okay, so this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.